continuing with C7.1. We need to look at the practical activity you may well do in the lab. This is the sort of thing which you will be asked about in the exams. Okay, so it's the practical aspects we need to take into consideration here, how we would do this. Step number one, we add our first reagent into a polystyrene cup. Polystyrene cup because it's insulated and it will help to protect that from any external heat source. Okay, so it'll give us more reliable results. Step two, we stir that and we measure the temperature. Wait until the temperature reading is settled. Step number three, we add our second reagent. This time it's a solid. We stir thoroughly, make sure that's very well mixed. And step four, we put a lid on and we measure the optimal temperature. Now, this will only happen once the reaction's taken place and the temperature's either stopped going up or it's stopped going down. When that happens, we measure the temperature. Okay, so you need to wait for that to happen and observe it. Obviously, you want to look at lots of different ways to insulate. So you can add insulation to your flask, use different materials, add the lid because that's important. If you want to improve your precision, instead of using a thermometer, use a temperature probe, which is far more precise. So you can get temperature readings to 2 decimal places, for instance. And obviously you want to take 3 readings and calculate your average to make your results more reliable. Okay, so what does this give us? If we take the end temperature and we subtract the starting temperature, it gives us delta T, okay, which is the change in temperature. This is the Greek letter delta. So an exothermic reaction, the temperature is going to increase, and an endothermic reaction, the temperature will decrease.